Hello, I'm Deacon Harold Burke-Sivers, and I have the great honor and privilege of partnering with Parousia Media. You know, I'm a full-time evangelist, author, and speaker. And I work with many different organizations, but I have to tell you the truth. There is no organization in the world like Parousia Media. You know, we always hear about the new evangelization, and evangelization is about changing lives, about bringing the news of Jesus Christ to the world. And I know of very few organizations that do this better than Parousia Media. Parousia Media has an impact not just in Australia, but all around the world. I've given them exclusive access to all my products and books and media to distribute worldwide because I truly believe that God has called Parousia Media to be one of the main catalysts of evangelization anywhere in the world. I am honored and privileged and proud to be associated with Parousia Media. To learn more about this incredible apostolate, just go to www.parousiamedia.com. Thank you and God bless.